Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out on one of my local walks and I thought this time I'll bring you along with me. I haven't done any local videos for a while, so I thought, why, it's such a lovely day, it was a hard frost this morning, I thought I'd take this opportunity to bring you along with me. The plan today is I'm on my way down towards Elnup Wood at the moment. I'm going to cut across to Deanwood via the canal, up through Deanwood, come out the top of Deanwood, and then I'm going to head into Porter's Wood and then probably backtrack back this way. I've got the camera with me, so hopefully we can get some nice pictures. If I get any, I'll show you them. If I don't, I'll cheat, I'll show you some of my older pictures. But yeah, I'm out around these parts nearly every day, so this is my local stomping ground. Let's do it. So John Pit and Elnup Wood are just a little bit further that way. This is just a small section of wood. It just goes down the side of Christopher Park, if you know the area. And this is going to bring us out at Crook, where we can pick up the canal. It's a beautiful day today. Let's hope we can get some nice pictures. As you can see, we've made it to the canal. There's the crew calling marina, which I've just shown you, which is just a bit further back there. We're going to head down the canal now towards Gathurst, and then hopefully underneath the M6 viaduct. That should take us into Deanwood. Well, there's a sign if you ever needed one. I've just been shat on. Yeah, well, I was hoping we might have some nice wildlife shots, but so far nothing. I've just had the camera out just back there, just taking a couple of shots down the canal with the reflections, so I'll show you them now. I hope you like them. Fingers crossed we might see some wildlife. If we don't see any, I'll drop you a couple of pictures that I've taken in the past. Well, we're just at the navigation now, at the bottom of Cathurst. I'll give you a look at these markings here, from when the horses used to pull the barges, and the rope was worn out of the bridge away. Amazing what you see when you start looking a bit closer. Well, the navigation, that's our queue to come off the canal now. Got a short section of road here now, and then under the train bridge, and then we'll swing a right, and then we're back onto the track down into Deanwood. You just see the motorway bridge there, that's the M6 crossing over the valley. I don't think you'll get many places like this. There's a train bridge, that's crossing the river and the canal. And then you've got the M6 crossing the train bridge, which is crossing the river and canal. That's 3 forms of transport, all in one place. Welcome to Deanwood. I'm going to slow it down a bit now. I've never been here before with my camera, so I'm just going to take it easy through here, see if there's any nice pictures we can take. I've been through this wood many times, and the first part coming in from the canal side is notoriously muddy, but the path further up does get much better. There's a couple of like small caves as well. I don't think we can get inside them, but still, I'll show you when we pass them. So I think I'm going to get the camera out and see if we can get any nice woodland pictures. Would have been better if we had a bit of mist, but we can't have everything, can we? I'll see you in a bit. Well, I think this is as good a place as any to stop for a coffee and a bite to eat. Nice sound of water, and I'll show you a look in here. Nice place for a butty stop. There you go, leave no trace. It's not difficult. Onward. Slip around here Still no wildlife. Apologies for the lack of wildlife. Hopefully I can make up for it with some nice woodland pictures. I'll stick them on at the end so you can see what I've taken while I've been out. It's a bit disappointing today, so sorry about that, but I've still had a good walk. That's it, we walked the full length of Dean Wood. I'm just going to go head out that way. That should take us to Orrell, and then I'll make my way back down through Porter's Wood. 5 mile in so far, so not doing too bad. It's a lovely day. So the path leading out of Dean Wood will bring you along the side of these apartments that used to be the British Legion, Orrell Legion. That just gives you an idea of a landmark where it's going to bring you out. I'm going ahead. Bit of a road section now, and then cut down the side of Hines back into Porter's Wood. So I'll bring you back when I get to Porter's Wood, because you don't want to see this road. So if you've seen one of my previous videos when I walked through Porter's Wood, you'll know it's blocked off. That day I had to crawl through the tunnel to get into the wood. Today I have no wellies on, so I've got to come round the long way. So basically you drop in and out of Porter's Wood, and then you head down the path that brings you basically back down to near where we started earlier on. So Gathers Station's just here, and the canal. But I'll be crossing over this bridge now, and then turning right, and then I can make my way along the farmer's field, which will bring me back to where I would normally come out of Porter's Wood, and then we can drop back down to Crook. So let's see if we can get that way. So there you go. If you didn't watch the video, that's how I got into the woods last time. Climbed all the way through that underneath the railway line. Hey! But that's not a bad path. Straight along the farmer's field, parallel with the railway line, and then that's going to take us back out towards Crook. Need we say any more? We're back on the canal now. We've just come past Crook, so we're nearly back home. So what I'll do, I'll throw some pictures on what I've taken while I've been out. Unfortunately, there's not been any wildlife at all. So what I'll do, I'll throw some pictures of some deer I took a couple of days ago, just so you can see what's about if you get out and about. Here's the Carlsberg boat. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen a picture I took of that last week too. If you don't follow me, I'll put the link below and head over, give us a follow. I put plenty of pictures on there of when I'm out and about. Like I said before, I don't always video them, and today I just thought I'll bring you along with me. Hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, like, comment and subscribe. Well, that's it. That's the end of today's adventure. We're losing the light now. It's 4 o'clock. So that was 9 mile circular walk through Elnup Wood, Dean Wood, and then back through Porter's Wood. If you've stuck it out this far, you'll have seen the deer, which is always a bonus. I've just got 2 minutes to walk that way, and then I'm home and get the kettle on, light the fire and start editing the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I certainly have. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers everybody. Bye.